Welcome back to Tech Talk Clan, where we dive deep into the latest in tech, offering insights, reviews, and much more. Today we're exploring an exciting addition to the world of smartwatches, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm. This device has stirred quite the buzz in the tech community, and for a good reason. Let's delve into what makes this watch a potential game changer, its features, performance, and how it stacks up against its competitors. Starting off, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm is designed with durability and style in mind. Its robust build is complemented by a sophisticated look that suits both outdoor adventures and formal occasions. This watch isn't just about looks. It's equipped with a range of features aimed at enhancing productivity, fitness tracking, and overall user experience. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch Ultra is its comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities. It offers a wide array of sensors and trackers, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, sleep analysis, and even an ECG function. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the watch's ability to track various activities and workouts with precision. Additionally, its GPS accuracy is noteworthy, making it a reliable companion for runners, cyclists, and outdoor adventurers. Battery life is a critical aspect of any smartwatch, and Samsung seems to have hit the mark with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm. With typical usage, the battery can last up to 2 days, a significant improvement from its predecessors and a competitive edge in the market. Charging is relatively quick and convenient, ensuring you're back on your feet without long downtimes. The watch's performance is powered by the latest Exynos 920 processor, paired with 1.5 GB of RAM, offering a smooth and efficient user experience. Navigating through apps, notifications, and features is seamless, showcasing the watch's ability to handle multitasking with ease. Samsung's One UI watch interface, based on Wear OS, brings a fresh look and feel to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and offers a wide range of customization options to fit your style and needs. The integration with other Samsung devices and services enhances the ecosystem, making it appealing for users already invested in Samsung's ecosystem. However, no product is without its downsides. One of the cons of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm is its size and weight, which might not appeal to everyone. Its prominent dimensions can be cumbersome for users with smaller wrists or those looking for a more discreet smartwatch. Additionally, while the Watch Ultra boasts an extensive range of features, its price point places it on the higher end of the market, making it less accessible to a broader audience. Comparatively, when you stack the Galaxy Watch Ultra against its contemporaries like the Apple Watch Series 7 or the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro, it holds its ground firmly. The Watch Ultra's rugged design and comprehensive feature set make it a formidable contender, especially for Android users. Unlike the Apple Watch, which is tethered to iOS, Samsung's offering provides more flexibility across devices. The Garmin Fenix 6 Pro, while revered for its fitness tracking prowess, falls short in the smart features and ecosystem integration that Samsung provides. In terms of recommendations, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm is an outstanding choice for tech enthusiasts and fitness buffs looking for a top-of-the-line smartwatch that doesn't compromise on style, durability, or features. It's particularly suited for users deeply embedded in the Samsung or Android ecosystem, seeking seamless integration and a rich user experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm represents a significant stride in smartwatch design and functionality. Its rugged yet stylish build, combined with an impressive array of features, sets a new benchmark for what users can expect from their wearable technology. Whether you're an avid fitness enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or someone who appreciates the convenience and functionality of smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is worth your consideration. While its price tag and size may deter some, its performance, durability, and ecosystem integration make it a compelling purchase for those in the market for a premium smartwatch experience. Thank you for tuning into Tech Talk Clan for this comprehensive review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm. Stay connected for more in-depth tech reviews, insights, and comparisons. Your journey with technology is ours to enhance.